Adidas and Kobe Bryant once collaborated on one of the boldest and most controversial sneakers ever released, the Adidas Kobe 2 USA. First worn by Kobe during the 2001-2002 NBA season opener, the Stars and Stripes design served as a tribute to those impacted by the 9/11 tragedy. While the shoe's futuristic and unorthodox style drew both attention and criticism, it marked the end of Kobe's partnership with Adidas, as he later paid $9 million to exit the deal before signing with Nike, where he built a legendary sneaker line second only to Air Jordan. Sneaker News has confirmed that Adidas will re-release the Kobe 2 USA in June, reviving nostalgia for fans of early 2000s basketball culture. The recent success of the Crazy 2 Retro, especially in OG colorways, shows that even without Kobe's name, these designs remain strong pickups for collectors and hoop fans alike.